let's make some salsa. That should work. So, there's our ingredients. So, we don't need the dragon fruit or the papaya or the pineapple. That's just there. But the rest, those are our ingredients. And we're going to use our spatula that we built the other day. Ready to go. Step 1, put some olive oil in the pan. Extra virgin olive oil. Step 2, put the coriander or cilantro in the blender. Chop your jalapeños tops off, put them in the pan. We use Roma tomatoes, and 1 red onion. You can use a white onion, you can use a sweet onion. I prefer the red onion. It just works really well with this combination. Put the onion in the pan. Garlic, you can put as much or as little garlic as you like. I like a lot. Typically 5 to 6 big cloves for this recipe. Then squeeze in your limes, 2 full limes. And then we cook it. It doesn't have to be perfectly cooked all the way through or anything. Just get a little bit of char on each side of everything. And that's as far as you want it to go. Put everything in the blender. Now we need our spices. And by spices, I mean salt and honey. I just do 2 large pinches of salt. I don't measure it. I'm not sure exactly how much that is. Maybe 1.5 teaspoons. And then about 1/2 tablespoon to a tablespoon of honey. I don't like to add sugar, so I use honey. Now blend it up. Now, we were only able to use our own coriander for this recipe. We hope to, in the future, use everything from our garden for this recipe, but this year we'll only be able to use the tomatoes once they're ready and our coriander. We didn't achieve any jalapeños this year. Onions, we didn't achieve those either. And garlic, we did not start back in the fall. Next year, we'll for sure have garlic, for sure have onions. This is a mild spice, maybe medium spice. Hope you enjoy.